Alright guys, this is a short video on the chrome pieces we just got installed. It's reflecting off of the hood. We just got to get those caps put on now.
Right.
They say powered by Ford on them. And they have little chrome caps up top.
No more sound tube.
Yeah, no more sound tube now. They put a plug on the intake. And a plug on the firewall back there. So it opens up the engine a little bit better so you can see it better. We're almost ready for the car shows now. All we gotta do is do a foam cannon and a wash. That's it. Ceramic coating is so crazy good. I spray a little bit of quick detailer on this thing and it flies off before you can even wipe it. It's ridiculous. Absolutely a must. Something that we needed to do when we first bought the car, but it's just too expensive all at once. I didn't even notice this. It came with two caps he put on here. That looks like they sealed in there.
Yeah, the two big ones.
It all kind of all goes together. Zoom out so you can see the hole. We got actually American flag covers that go all the way up the car. We just don't have them on right now. But they were also ceramic coated. Yeah, the chrome does look good. It's gonna keep adding more chrome now. We need a lot of it. There's a lot of stuff that's hard to find on these newer cars with chrome stuff. Everything has to be custom made, seems like. Now we got caps for all these bolts here. It's the strut tower caps. We got chrome pieces for that. They're just waiting. They should be coming in next week. And then I'll install them. They go on both sides. Yeah, that's pretty much it.